Beri tepuk tangan dong sekali lagi yang sangat meriah sekali.
Dan inilah dia atlet dunia sekali lagi yang ingin berfoto bersama dengan Malcolm. Hanya dengan membeli produk ProLab tentunya ya.
Iya, kita akan tanya-tanya dulu.
Silakan.
Ya. Tanya-tanya dulu, nanti kita berikan performance beliau ya, seperti
Betul
apa
sekali,
ya.
seperti apa. Boleh, yang mau foto boleh agak maju ya. Oh my god, Malcolm.
Hello Mr. Malcolm, how are you? Thank you, Fan. Wow. There's a lot of your fans. Iya, oke.
Alright, Malcolm. Okay, how do you do? Okay, what do you think about Jakarta?
Jakarta is nice. Everybody seems to be nice and have welcomed me with open arms, and I'm just amazed by what I see.
Okay.
You guys have some top quality athletes, man. You guys really put in the work, and I'm very impressed.
Okay, I'm very brave. Okay, sekali lagi ada satu lagi pertanyaan. Silakan.
Okay, and can you tell us about your daily routines as an athlete in US?
Yep.
You have special gym to train at, or maybe special food or supplement to consume, and or anything that you can share with us.
Well, basically, you know, this is what I do for a living, and I try to, you know, point people and direct people in the right direction on how to build muscle. And with ProLab and MRI products, I mean, you really can't go wrong. And normally, I'm on like a 8,000 calorie diet. Sometimes I'm somewhere in between 5,000 and 8,000 calories. And I have to supplement that with a Pure Whey by ProLab.
Okay.
And also I do Whey Isolate, which, you know, are two of the best protein shakes I've ever, you know, I normally take in around 500 grams of protein a day.
Okay.
So I have to do a lot of protein, so I do drink a lot of shakes, and Pure Whey is by far the best. And also, you know, I do pre-workout drinks.
Pre-workout, okay.
You know, I recommend that athletes do pre-workout drinks before they work out.
Okay, wow.
Something to give you energy, help you build muscle. And I always drink MRI, anabolic switch, and I take a supplement that I don't know if you guys have around here, but it's called beta-alanine, which is a ProLab product.
How many times do you usually do the workout in a day?
Well, I work out maybe once a day with weights, and then I do cardio for about 35, 40 minutes. But I train roughly 6 days a week.
6 days a week?
Yeah.
And with that, I train each muscle group separately. So
Muscle group separately.
yeah, each muscle group separately. So arms
Yeah.
on Friday, I train legs on.
Sebelum kita menanyakan, kita berikan ke audiens yang dari tadi kayaknya penasaran ingin bertanya. Ya silakan, yang bertanya akan kita kasih hadiah kaos ya. Oke, saya berikan kesempatan.
Dari mana dengan siapa?
Ya dari Papsi Asahan Sumatera Utara.
Sumatera Utara, tepuk tangan dulu dong untuk Sumatera Utara di Papsi Sumatera Utara, silakan.
Ingin mempertanyakan nutrisi yang dikonsumsi sehingga membuat badan begitu besar. Wah, kalau kita di Indonesia mungkin ya berapa biaya yang harus dikeluarkan?
Like I was explaining, that nutrition is important, protein intake is important. The supplements that I take that help build muscle are like beta-alanine and anabolic switch. Those are products that help suppress lactic acid buildup, that help build muscle. Like to build muscle, guys, you have to break it down. And in order to break it down, you want to take something that helps that muscle recover as well. So beta-alanine and glutamine, amino acids, are two great products that help in that process. And I've been doing that, using that process for a little bit over 6 years. And as you can see, I've grown quite a bit from that.
I want to ask for you about, before you pre-workout, what you're preparing about the supplement before you work out and then after you work out. Thank you.
Okay, well, like I was saying earlier, the good pre-workout drink is also a pre-workout drink that we drink in the States. Is made by ProLab. It's called Quick Fire. You guys have black powder, which is really similar, and I drink both of them. Black powder is a great pre-workout drink. It gives you energy as well. It helps with your muscle recovery. It allows you to hold your pumps longer. And it's probably, in my opinion, probably one of the best pre-workout drinks on the market. Post-workout, understand that you have like a 45-minute window to take in supplements after you train.
45 what?
45 minutes.
45 minutes.
45-minute window after you finish training when your body absorbs the supplementation at its best. So that's when you want to make sure you take your amino acids and also your protein shake,
Okay.
which that will give you best results.
Indonesia.
Apa kabar Indonesia?
Oh, ternyata itu yang ingin disampaikan ya. Apa kabar Indonesia? Saya tanya balik, kumaha damang? Cie.
How are you today?
Kumaha damang?
Kudaha dama.
Tepuk tangan dulu.
Tepuk tangan dong.
Okay, the last question probably.
The last question.
The last question. Do you have any tips for all the athletes right here? Maybe how to make our body like this? I mean, that tips.
From you.
Well, the best tip I can give you is when you train each muscle with the same tender love and care.
Sandal.
Train each muscle the same. Give each muscle the same
The same love.
Yes.
Berikan masing-masing otot itu cinta yang sama ya.
Arms, legs, back, chest,
Oh.
abs,
My
the
God.
same amount. Concentrate on each muscle group the same amount of time.
Jangan memilih-milih otot, semuanya diperlakukan secara sama.
Ternyata ya Malcolm ini nggak pernah pilih kasih, mau otot belakangnya pelatihannya sama, otot depan latihannya juga sama, luar biasa. Sekali lagi saya
Show
minta
your hands,
tepuk
bro.
tangan.
Show your hands.
Show your hands. Alright.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Yeah, I'm out at Brooklyn. Now I'm down in Tribeca, right next to De Niro. But I'll be hood forever. I'm the new Sinatra. And since I made it here, I can make it anywhere. Yeah, they love me everywhere. I used to cop in Harlem. All of my Dominicanos right there up on Broadway. Pulled me back to that McDonald's. Took it to my stash spot, 560 State Street. Catch me in the kitchen like a Simmons whipping pastry. Cruising down A Street, off-white Lexus. Driving so slow, but BK is from Texas. Me, I'm out that Bed-Stuy, home of that boy Biggie. Now I live on Billboard, and I brought my boys with me. Say what up to Tata, still sipping my top. Sitting courtside, Knicks and Nets give me high five. Nigga, I be spiked out, I could trip a referee. Tell by my attitude that I most definitely from. Hey.
Concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Now you're New York. These streets will make you feel brand new. Big lights will inspire you. Let's hear it from
You welcome, OG. I made you hot, nigga. Catch me at the X with OG at a Yankee game. Shit, I made the Yankee hat more famous than a Yankee can. You should know I bleed blue, but I ain't a crypto. But I got a gang of niggas walking with my click though. Welcome to the melting pot. Corners where we sellin' rock. Africa been by the shit. Home of the hip hop. Yellow cap, gypsy cap, dollar cap, holla back. For foreigners it ain't fair, they act like they forgot how to act. 8 million stories out there in the naked city. It's a pity half of y'all won't make it. Me, I got a plug special ed, I got it made. If Jeezy's paying LeBron, I'm paying Dwayne Wade. 3 dice CeeLo, 3 card Marley. Labor Day parade, rest in peace Bob Marley. Statue of Liberty, long live the World Trade, long live the King, yo. I'm from the Empire State. That's
Concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you
That boy
can't
good.
do. Now you're New York.
Welcome to the bright light,
These streets will
baby.
make you feel brand new. Big lights will inspire you. Let's hear it from New York.
lights is blinding. Girls need blinders so they could step out of bounds quick. The sidelines is lined with casualties who sip the life casually, then gradually become worse. Don't fight the apple eve, caught up in the in crowd. Now you're in style, and in the winter gets cold, in vogue with your skin out. City of sin, it's a pity on a whim. Good girls going bad, the city's filled with them. Mommy took a bus trip, now she got a bust out. Everybody ride her, just like a bus route. Hail Mary to the city, you're a virgin, and Jesus can't save you. Life starts when the church in. Came here for school, graduated to the highlight. Ball players, rap stars, addicted to the limelight. Empty and May got you feeling like a champion. The city never sleep, better slip you an ambient.
Concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Now you're New York. These streets will make you feel brand new. Big lights will inspire you. Let's hear it for New York, New York, New York. One hand in the air for the big city. Street lights, big dreams, all looking pretty. No place in the world that can compare. Put your lighters in the air, everybody say yeah, yeah. Come on, yeah, yeah. In New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Now you're New York. These streets will make you feel brand new. Big lights will inspire you. Let's hear it for New York, New York, New York.
Wow. Beri tepuk tangan yang sangat meriah sekali lagi untuk Malcolm Marshall. Give you a big applause. Oke, silakan.
Hello, guys. I wanted to come back up here and say a few things because I come a really long way to make sure that you guys understand the process and the method of building muscle. So I just want to pretty much reiterate what I said earlier, repeat what I said earlier, and explain things to you. Yeah.
Ya, jadi Malcolm ada di atas ini sekali lagi. Dia mau jelasin ulang supaya nggak ada salah karena dia udah datang jauh-jauh dari States ke sini. Jadi dia mau ngomong sekali lagi untuk apa yang dia sudah jelasin sebelumnya sebenarnya. Oke, Malcolm, you go.
Well, surprisingly behind me, I have the products that I use. I didn't know they were going to bring them up, but I did tell them what I use myself. Pre-workout, guys, before you train, there's no other better pre-workout drink than black powder, okay? Black powder gives you energy as well as it has NO, nitric oxide in it, the formula that helps you build muscle, hold your pumps.
Jadi ini seperti tadi sudah ada pertanyaan, ini menyangkut pre-workout. Jadi sebelum kita berlatih, suplemennya Malcolm nomor 1 sebelum berlatih adalah black powder. Jadi kemudian
Another great pre-workout supplement that I use is Anabolic Switch. Anabolic Switch is a formula that suppresses lactic acid buildup. You know, guys, when you work out and you get that burning sensation and you can't get another rep, Anabolic Switch suppresses that to where you can get 3 or 4 more reps, to where you get more muscle breakdown and by concept building bigger muscles.
Oke, anabolic switch ini juga dia pakai karena dia anabolic switch ini juga sangat bagus. Dia menekan asam laktat. Jadi kalau kita latihan itu pada waktu kita latihan kadang kita merasakan sensasi terbakar pada otot kita itu. Jadi setelah sensasi terbakar itu kita nggak bisa lakuin repetisi lebih lagi. Dengan anabolic switch sensasi itu, asam laktat itu bisa ditekan. Nah, kemudian setelah itu kita bisa nambah reps lagi, mungkin 3-4 repetisi lagi, di mana repetisi itu ekstra repetisi itulah yang membangun otot kita lebih gitu. Oke.
Okay. After you have that long 1 hour, 2 hour workout, your body gives you have a 45-minute period to where your body sustains and concentrates and absorbs the supplements at its best. So you have a 45-minute period where your body absorbs all the supplements at its best right after your workout. So that's the best time to drink. I do Pure Whey. It has the highest protein ingredients, the best protein ingredients. It's got the highest protein concentrate of any protein on the market. It has WPC 80, which is the highest protein concentrate on the market.
Jadi setelah Malcolm latihan, mungkin kira-kira 2 jam dia latihan. Setelah masa 2 jam latihan, kemudian masuk kepada fase 45 menit setelah latihan. 45 menit itu setelah latihan itulah saat yang paling tepat dan paling penting, di mana 45 menit itu saat paling tepat untuk kita minum whey protein supaya terserap sempurna oleh tubuh kita dalam masa 45 menit setelah latihan. Jadi Pure Whey ini di sini salah satunya adalah yang paling baik karena dia mengandung WPC 80, yaitu whey protein concentrate 80 itu yang paling murni di dunia sementara ini. Jadi ini paling best, paling bagus untuk dikonsumsi setelah latihan, 45 menit setelah latihan.
Okay, another supplement you want to get in your body within that time frame are amino acids. Amino 2000. It's a great product. It helps with muscle recovery. So after you tear down your muscle, after muscle breakdown, amino acids, amino 2000 is the product that you want to help you recover and build strong, lean muscle.
Suplemen lain selain Pure Whey tadi ada amino 2000 ini, di mana dia juga paling penting setelah kita berlatih, otot kita pecah, muscle breakdown, otot kita pecah tadi, amino ini paling tepat juga untuk dikonsumsi.
And for you guys who are trying to gain weight, build even more muscle, Enlarge 2 is fortified with protein as well as 650 calories per serving, which helps you, it adds calories to your diet and helps you build muscle. This is another great product if you're trying to bulk and gain weight.
Produk lain yang bagus untuk menambah berat badan bagi yang masih kurang berat badan itu ada Enlarge 2. Enlarge 2 ini mengandung 52 gram protein, sekitar 600 sekian kalori. Jadi setelah kita berlatih, kita mau nambah berat badan, juga otot tentunya, ini salah satu suplemen yang bagus untuk dikonsumsi.
And right now, guys, this is my off season. So I'm 320 pounds, 143 kilos. This is the biggest I get in the off season. I compete at about 130 kilos, 280 pounds. I competed about 130 kilos, and that's when I'm pretty much shredded like you see in the pictures. But right now, I'm probably drinking 3 Enlarge 2 shakes a day right now. You know, so this is helping me build muscle. This is what I use to help me in my off season.
Okay. Ya, sekarang ini masa off seasonnya dia, jadi beratnya di 320 pounds, jadi sekitar 143 kilo. Kalau dia lagi on season di 120 sampai 130 kilo. Makanya sekarang dia minumnya Enlarge 2 ini di masa off season sampai 3 shakes sehari. Artinya 3 shakes berarti 3 kali 4 scoop Enlarge 2 sehari.
And guys, I mean that's all it. I just want to say one thing. Thank you for having me out here. I'm having the time of my life. And honestly, I've seen some amazing, to me, this is on the other side of the world. So I've traveled to the other side of the world, and I've seen some amazing athletes. What I saw on stage tonight was truly incredible. And guys, keep it on. I saw a lot of talent in this room tonight. A lot of talent, a lot of guys who can go to the next level. You know, don't quit, keep it rolling, and God bless you guys.